About a year ago we got this grill, and it came with these two black bars. Now I just want to mention, you are very unlikely to have two black bars like this, but you can use PVC pipe and it'll work the same. Anyway, I wanted to use them to make a camera slider, but camera sliders are generally over $0, which is my budget, so I made my own by making these two tubes that run along the black tubes like this, and then made two more of those for the black tubes to stand on, but I didn't glue them in yet. And then I made 3 more of them, which took a long time, and glued them on like this. Now I apologize for the next camera shots because I had to have my camera on the tripod mount, but my tripod mount had to be on the cardboard, not the tripod, so then I made 3 of these little pieces which go on the front and sides of the tripod mount like this, and took a sheet of cardboard and put the tripod mount on it, and then glued those pieces on the cardboard leaning up against the tripod mount. So now you can slide the tripod mount into the little structure you made, which I also braced. Then I glued this cardboard sheet onto the 3 tubes. And then I put those last 2 tubes under the black bars as legs. So I glued them on and I also taped them.